Education is this civilization's greatest leveler. It has the power to empower the weakest of the weak, bring peace to the world, and alleviate poverty. It is often seen as the only lit path in the pursuit of happiness. Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, founder of the Art of Living, believes that every child deserves an education, where the goal of education is not just to make a living, but to make a life. Our students are provided with a holistic education that strikes a perfect balance between the ancient traditional culture and the modern world. The aim is to provide our students with 21st century skills like compassion, creativity, intuition, teamwork, and collaboration to become successful individuals in this ever-evolving world. Keeping this in mind, Gurudev has initiated various programs and educational institutions ranging from pre-primary to post-graduation to sow the seed early on and mold them into being better citizens of this world. The various education initiatives by Gurudev are the Free Schools of Art of Living. 1981 saw the inception of the first free Art of Living school. And today, we have thousands of free schools under Ved Vigyan Mahavidyapeeth Trust in the remotest areas across 22 states and more than 2,000 villages of India, providing a bright future for more than tens of thousands of underprivileged children and counting. The Art of Living also runs more than 30 tribal schools in the rural areas of our country under Vyakti Vikas Kendra, India.
गुरुदेव कहते हैं कि एजुकेशन इट इज़ नॉट अ टीचिंग प्रोसेस, इट इज़ अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस। तो इसको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से यहाँ पे ध्यान दिया जाता है। इसके कारण ये बच्चों में एक प्रभाव ऐसा बन गया है कि ये बच्चों जिस गांव से आते हैं, जिस घर से आते हैं, वहाँ पे भी बहुत बड़ा बदलाव हो रहा है। बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ने बच्चों के कहने के कारण व्यसन छोड़ दी।
The SSRVM Trust is stepping into its silver jubilee year since its inception in 1999. SSRVM has set up more than 100 educational institutes with more than tens of thousands of students, thousands of educators, and thus far 500,000 graduates. It also has an international presence in Oman and Nepal. Long before the inception of the National Education Policy 2020, SSRVM schools stood at the forefront of educational innovation. Our commitment to progressive and holistic education was not just ahead of the curve, it was shaping the curve itself. About 25% of our students in India go to reputed institutions for higher education, that is 40%, much higher than the national average. Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir also has the Sri Sri College of Ayurvedic Science and Research Hospital, which has garnered notable achievements showcasing its excellence and success in the field. An ISO 9001-2015 certified institution located in Bengaluru and Odisha. The Sri Sri University at Odisha, established in 2009, spread over 188 acres of land. Sri Sri University has attained significant milestones, demonstrating its commendable achievements. This distinctive institution blends the best of the Western innovation with the Eastern values and wisdom of the East. The Art of Living, through its wing of Vedic Dharma Sansthan, is reviving and preserving our ancient wisdom and practices by providing Vedic education to over 1,000 students in our 11 Gurukuls spread across 10 states in India. Education is not just about acquiring information, it is also about transforming oneself. To further empower our students with unique capabilities, the Art of Living offers 3 programs specially developed for all age groups by Gurudev. Utkarsh Yoga is meticulously designed exclusively for kids. The breathing techniques taught in the program give children those essential tools to overcome emotions such as fear, shyness, nervousness, anxiety, frustration, and jealousy easily. Medha Yoga focuses on empowering teens with tools that help them take the right decisions, focus better, be more responsible about oneself, kindle a sense of belonging, and channelize their energy in the right direction. Intuition programs enables the kids to perceive beyond the five senses and delve into the sixth sense. Intuition is the right thought at the right action at the right time. These programs help in shaping the personality of the individual from their very core. Gurudev's vision is to develop not just the intelligence quotient, but also the emotional and spiritual quotient of our children, allowing students to lead a wholesome and fulfilling life.
From kindergarten up to the university to PhD level, we have provided a platform for children to blossom and be great citizens of our beautiful planet.